Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 6.3 from Squares and Square Roots 8th class NCERT. Question number 3. Find the square roots of 100 and 169 by the method of subtraction. By using subtraction, that is, we have to find the square root of 100 and 169. In earlier sessions, we already discussed about that. Now let's start. Square root of 100. Next here, square root of 169. Okay, now let's start. We know that subtract from 1. So start from 1, it will goes through up to 0. So start 100 minus 1, we get 99. Now use 99 minus, we know odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, up to 30 I wrote. So 99 minus 3, next number, gets 96. Now 96 minus 5, that is 91. 91 minus 7, 84. 84 minus 9, we get 75. 75 minus next number is 11. So 64. 64 minus 13, 51. 51 minus 15 is equal to 36. Now 36 minus 17 is equal to 19. Next 19 minus 19, it gets 0, right? So here ends up the subtraction process. Now count the how many odd numbers we are often used here up to subtract. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So by using 10 numbers, we are repeatedly subtract the given square roots. Here we get 0. It is a perfect square. Now square root of 100 is equal to the 10, or else root over 100 is equal to 10. This is the answer for this question. Next, coming to the here, second one. Let's start again. 169 minus 1. We get 168. Next, 168 minus 3. 165. 165 minus 5. We get 160. 160 minus 7. 153. 153 minus 9. We get 144. 144 minus 11 is equal to 133. 133 minus 13. 120. 120 minus 15. We get 105. 105 minus 17. We get 88. 88 minus 19. Here we get 69. 69 minus 21. Here we get 48. 48 minus 23. We get 25. Finally, 25 minus, here also we got 25 after 23. So here is 0. The process ends up with a 0. So it is a perfect square. Now the square root of 169 is about to find, that is how many repeated subtracted we are done by using the odd numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 13 numbers. So here 169 square root of is equal to the 13 is the answer for this question. So this is about the repeated subtraction method by using the odd numbers. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.